Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the August add-on kits. There are 3 add-ons, a cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-on to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. This is a great way to have your kits go even further, give you more options. If you're looking for even more product, then check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month as well, so it's a perfect add-on. So let's dig in and take a closer look. First, we'll look at the cardstock add-on. As you can see here, they coordinate perfectly. Rochelle does an awesome job coordinating the cardstock. So this is a great way if you like doing cardstock backgrounds, matting your photos, die cutting them, lots of options for your cardstock. So for the Doodlebug Barbie Cute collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of spinach and 2 sheets of grenadine. For the School Rules from Echo Park, you're going to get 1 sheet of butterscotch and 2 sheets of wild berry pie. For the Bro & Co. from Simple Stories, you're going to get a sheet of rain and 2 sheets of pumpkin patch. And for the Simple Vintage Great Escape collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of geyser and 2 sheets of natural cardstock. So that gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. Next, we'll look at the patterned paper. The patterned paper add-on gives you 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections, so it gives you lots more options in your patterned paper. So from Doodlebug Barbie Cute, we have this one called Blueberry Plaid, and it's the 2x2 cut-aparts. Has all of the super cute food icons that we've seen in this collection, as well as the barbecue letters here, so lots of options on that. The back is the blue plaid. We have a red check that looks like a tablecloth. Love this pattern. This is called Picnic Plaid. The back are all the food icons of the hamburger and the hot dogs, ketchup and mustard, and the spatula. From School Rules in Echo Park, we have this paper that has the paper airplanes on the green. The back is a notebook print. Always love prints like this for backgrounds. This one's called Paper Airplanes. Then we have this one that has the crayons. The back is a 2-toned red and it has all the different school icons. This one's called Back to School, so it has a book, a globe, a clock, the little incubators, paper clips, glasses, lots of cute school icons. From Bro & Co. and Simple Stories, we have this star print on the gray background, and this one that has all of the triangles. So if you turn it this way, it kind of looks like banners. You could fussy cut 1 row of those like that to create a banner, cut a strip out for borders, use it as a background, lots of options. This one's called Totally Legit, and it has the stitched word says, "Oh yeah, epic dude, totally awesome." The back is a red diagonal stripe. And then from Simple Vintage Great Escape from Simple Stories, we have this one. I love these papers. I say it every month when we get them. All the work's already done for you. It has all of the clustering and layering. You could just add a photo and a few little embellishments out here and it's done. So quick and easy. The back has the ferns on this off-white background and more of that text. This one is called 4x4 Elements, so it has the cut-aparts. These are just gorgeous. I love this. Meet me in the woods, making memories, stay wild always, think outside, no box required. Love for nature, the world is yours to explore, be one with nature. So great icons to tuck in, also some great boxes to add your journaling. The back is this minty green map print. So one more look at your patterned paper. This is always one of my favorite add-ons because I love patterned paper. So definitely get that added onto your kits. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is another one of my favorites. So starting with the Barbie Cute from Doodlebug, you're going to get some more of the ephemera pieces, so these little bits and pieces to add on for embellishment. So they'll vary, but again, lots of phrases, words, and a couple of little hearts, as well as a doodle pop. So these are already pop dotted up. They're super cute. See if I can get that in the camera. So the little grill is all pop dotted up, and then these have like epoxy on the top of them, so it makes it kind of textured. So super cute. From School Rules Echo Park, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border of pencils, a ruler, and then apples, and then lots of school icons from the schoolhouse, the school bus, school days, cute little squirrel and owls, a little penguin here, a banner that says schools. I love the little girl sitting on the stack of books. So lots of options there. And from Bro & Co. Simple Stories, you're going to get half of the phrase puffy stickers, or the foam stickers. So these will vary. You'll get one sheet or the other. Let me get that off of that so you can see. But lots of words, so you can make your titles or subtitles. And then from the Simple Vintage Great Escape, you're going to get the full package of brads. So we're really excited about that. They have the cute mushrooms and the butterfly and the little dragonflies and the foliage on there. Love the little viewfinder. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. Be sure to get it added as well as any of the other add-ons. Check out that Shots of Life kit because it coordinates as well. And also there's lots of individual items available in the store that you can have added onto your order and get it shipped along with it for free. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.